Unlocking the skies, the world of commercial drone use. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and increasingly important topic, commercial drone use. Whether you've seen drones flying above, capturing breathtaking aerial footage, or delivering packages, drones are everywhere. But what exactly does commercial drone use mean, and why is it so significant? Stay tuned as we explore the world from a bird's eye view. First things first, let's talk about drones. A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is a type of aircraft without a human pilot on board. Controlled by remote pilots or autonomously via pre-programmed plans, drones come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks. The key here is that drones can fly, hover, and sometimes even perform acrobatics in the sky. Now, when we add the word commercial to drone use, we're talking about using drones for business purposes. This isn't about flying a drone for fun in your backyard. Commercial drone use involves activities that directly support, enhance, or provide a service or product in exchange for economic benefit. This could range from aerial photography and surveying land to inspecting infrastructure and delivering goods. Let's make this more tangible with some examples. Aerial photography and videography. Drones capture stunning images and videos from the sky for real estate, weddings, or film production. Agriculture. Farmers use drones to monitor crop health, irrigation, and to spray fertilizers or pesticides. Inspection and surveillance. Drones inspect hard-to-reach structures like bridges, power lines, and pipelines, ensuring safety and operational efficiency. Delivery services. Companies are testing drones to deliver products, significantly reducing delivery times and costs. The impact of commercial drone use is vast. It offers efficiency and safety benefits, reduces human risk in dangerous inspections, and opens up new perspectives for creative projects. However, it also brings challenges, such as privacy concerns, regulatory hurdles, and the need for responsible operation to ensure safety in shared airspace. We've just scratched the surface of the fascinating world of commercial drone use. From boosting agricultural productivity to revolutionizing the way we receive packages, drones hold the promise of transforming numerous industries. We hope this video has illuminated the potential and importance of commercial drones. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting topics with you in the future. Fly high and see the world from new heights.